Hey guys, my name is Henry from Fishers High School, and a project that I'm doing is this video series in which I'm going to try to teach you guys about mathematics. So in this video, what I'm going to try to do is just give you guys a sense of direction and agenda for what I'm trying to do specifically with this video that you're not necessarily going to get out of your classes. So in a class, what I generally get out of is that because they're split up into yearly classes and you have different teachers for each one, you're going to get a different feeling in each year for different subjects, so that you'll be in algebra and then you take geometry. And because you also have different teachers between those classes, you're also going to get some of the same concepts given in different ways, and they'll even want you to do things in different ways, and they'll say, my way is correct, your way is wrong, do it my way now, even though that's how you learned to do it last year. So in my series, I'm going to try to cover a broad range of subjects in my series, which will not be very long, so that you can get a better sense of how things work together in math. And you might have a better understanding that way than just getting chunks of info at different years. Now, the issue that comes with that kind of teaching, though, is going to be that I'm going to skip over some of the more specific concepts that only apply within what would be in that year of teaching. And I'm also not going to be giving much practice for anyone watching, where I'll go over the concepts and you'll have a pretty good understanding of those, but you might not be able to implement it as well as if you had done homework in a class. So I do encourage you guys to still do your homework, obviously, because it is a good source of practice, and you will be able to do problems more quickly if you do that. Now, if I'm teaching something, or you're interested in learning about something that's not being covered in a class, or you're not in a class at all, and you're watching my videos, then what I would do is I would encourage you to use the links below my video, because those are going to give you definitely more practice than I can, and they're also going to be a bit more thorough as to some of the formulas and whatnot, so that you should be able to get anything you need out of those from that. So now I'm just going to break down a bit of the agenda of what I'm hoping to cover in my series, so you can have a better idea of what to look forward to. So what we've got first is just theory of numbers, and how does that relate to counting, and then basic operations like your addition and your subtraction, your multiplication, and your division. And that'll lead into algebra and equations, and that'll go to graphing, and then that'll go to trigonometry, which, don't worry, is just triangles, and geometry, where we'll have circles and rectangles and triangles and whatnot. So I'm going to give, like I said, a very broad range of topics, but that because I'll be the one giving them, and I'll try my best to teach it this way specifically, you'll have a good understanding of how things work together. So, thanks for watching this first video. We'll start out with just theory of numbers in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.